I've always been a big do not try anything that comes over the internet or, the social media, magic pills, whatever. I was one of those guys, skeptical. Laura had started it and she had told me about it. Most men know how it is when your wife tells you something, you're gonna do it. The first day that I tried it, she came and the next morning, how you feel? And I was like, I don't feel any different. The third day, the fourth day, and the fifth day are the same, and I still don't feel anything. And I'm like, okay, this is not, Laura, it's the time that you let me win this one. The sixth day is actually when it hit me. And I woke up, I actually felt like I was about 10 years younger. For me being that skeptic to now actually trying to tell all my family and friends or just anybody I see, the life-changing experience that you get with this is unbelievable.